Hello everyone! So today I received my first package from Young Living, and this is a home starter kit. Now let's check out what I have got in here. First, I've got a household cleaner. It's a multi-purpose solution and a dishwashing soap. I also got Aroma Bright toothpaste. Next one we've got is a mouthwash. I also got a bath and shower gel base, portable cleaning spray, foaming hand soap, cleaning bar of soap, and one of my most favorite part is the Desert Mist diffuser. I can't wait to use this one. There's still more. I've got dental floss, and look at this range of oils I've got with my welcome pack. There's purification, lavender, lemon, peppermint, and thieves. So now I'll put these oils safely in the case so I know where they are. I'm looking forward to use all these products around our house now. Thank you all for watching. Bye!